So we're back at Evasive Motorsports to do an alignment on my Integra. Let me show you guys my setup right now. This is the rear. We got 0 toe on the rear and 2.5, like 2.6, whatever it is. And then the front camber is actually maxed out at like -388. And that's as much as I can get. If I could get more, I would. But if you can get like -4 on these cars in the front, it's so good. But usually when I'm here, I just try to get under here and look at everything, make sure that nothing's loose, and it looks like everything's good. My PCI control arms have seen better days. Look how peppered these are from multiple canyon runs and like track days. The Unit 2 fabrication subframe's been holding up, man. It's not too peppered actually. And this is the Integra Type R sway bar, and then this is the resonators that I'm running. I got another one in the back right there, and I got no muffler, and it's pretty quiet, really. It sounds good. It doesn't get raspy or anything. And then I converted my steering rack to an EG manual rack. See that right there? That's an EG manual rack. And it's pretty much hard mounted to the chassis right there with these honed bushings. So if you guys want these honed bushings, just hit up Honed Developments on Instagram. And then back there, looks like nothing's leaking. Yeah, everything seems to be good. And then I don't know, that I guess that was my last oil change, 314.25. I think it's due for an oil change. It's been a while, but not really a lot of miles on this car right now. Oh, one cool thing about the new splitter bracket by PCI, they have a backing plate. And as you can see, I drag this thing, so it's all scraped up right there. And then I got these little Sliplo things. You can get these from Sliplo. SLIPLO, and it protects your front bumper or your front splitter pretty good from scrapage. I mean, sheesh, I've had that on there for a while. That's pretty much it. And we're gonna walk around here real quick, show you what's going on in the back. Mr. Peter at Evasive Motorsports is always my alignment guy. Very OCD about alignment, so that's why I like coming here. Yeah, it's not fun to do all that stuff right there. Look at this though. This is the special edition PCI arm that's not black. Usually he sells these black, but I told him to make me a set that's silver because, you know, bling. You're faster when you look cooler. And over there's the honed, I think that's the roll center adjuster bracket thing. You gotta drill your trailing arm, add that, and then it does all sorts of things that magical fairies with the suspension world knows. I don't know anything about what it does, but it feels good. And then PCI toe arm, he actually did design a new version of this, so I'm going to be doing a review on that next time I do an alignment. And then the bushing right here, the trailing arm bushing, is a spherical, makes a huge difference on these cars. So if you guys have like an EKEG and Integra, these are probably pretty worn out. Swap them out to the PCI. Super easy. And then yeah, my Moton coilovers have seen better days. Look how peppered those are. One of these days is gonna fall apart. And then I got the ASR sway bar, 32 mil 120 wall. It's super thick. A little dangerous if you don't know how to handle a oversteery front wheel drive car, but you know, if you know how to drive it, it's pretty fun. That's pretty much it. Oh, here's the front canister. This is just a vibrant canister. And I have no muffler. Muffler goes over there, boom, dumps right there, and it's not really that loud. Sounds good.